Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering down and isolating the keyboard so no signals interrupt the reset. Make sure to unplug USB or turn off Bluetooth and remove batteries if wireless. This prevents accidental repairing. Next, find the reset method for your model. Common ones use FN+ESC or a tiny recessed reset hole. Once located, position the keyboard on a flat surface and have a paperclip ready. This front-loading preparation saves time and prevents confusion when you trigger the reset sequence. You now perform the actual reset following the exact sequence for your model. Timing matters. Press and hold the required key combination, commonly FN+ESC, or insert a pin into the reset hole and hold for 5 to 10 seconds until LEDs blink or you hear a tone. Make sure to follow whether the manufacturer wants power connected or disconnected during the press. Doing it the wrong way can prevent a proper reset. Once you see the confirmation signal, release and wait a few seconds before proceeding. You finish by restoring power and repairing or plugging the keyboard back into your device. This completes the factory reset cycle. After connection, type in a text editor to verify every key and modifier works as expected, and check for firmware or driver updates that may restore features. If something still fails, repeat the reset once, try fresh batteries, and make sure the device is in the correct pairing mode. If problems persist, contact manufacturer support for device-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.